What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be giving y'all an update on El Yunque, what I've been doing to it since the last time that I posted. I know I haven't posted in almost a year, but I've been busy, guys. And if you're an OG subscriber, you know the surroundings. Where I had this truck where I used to live, I had it in the open. So we finally got a garage for the Yunque. We did the move. So that's why I haven't been posting. I've been busy. But we're back, guys. And before I continue to do the progress, I just want to give you an update, because I have been working on El Yunque. I've been doing things here and there. So I'm just going to catch y'all up and show y'all what I've been doing to the Yunque. And one of the things that I've did that's probably the most noticeable one, I put the 24s back on the truck. Now, I did some changes to it. In the front, I had to take off the spindle because the spindle was pushing out the wheel out. So I took the spindle out, left the 3-inch drop spring, and I was able to put the 24s without rubbing or any issues. In the back, the 24s, they fit, but I did have to do some trimming inside of here, inside of the wheel well. I did some trimming, and now they fit and they tuck just a little bit. There's another thing that I've been working on, is I actually sanded down the roof. I took all the surface rust out, and as y'all can see, I've been doing some Bondo on it where the roof rack used to be. So I've also been working on this, which I didn't want to record because it, honestly guys, it's a process. It's time consuming to get all the surface rust out. So that's another thing that I've done to this truck. And right now it's actually ready for me, well, with the exception of sanding the Bondo down, but it's ready to shoot the primer. Another thing that I've done to this truck is I actually added the roll pan to it. Now, I had this roll pan before already. It was painted white, but the paint was already coming off. So I stripped the paint down, I did some body work to it, and then I just primer it with some gray primer, and I think it looks better with the roll pan. Also, guys, I finally found a color that I want to go with the interior with. And if y'all are also OG subscribers, y'all know that these vents, AC vents, used to be white. So I painted these, and this is the color that I'm going to be going on the interior. So the whole dash, the door panels, it's going to be this color. So y'all stay tuned for that also, guys. Another thing, I added some speakers to the truck, DS18s. You know, because I have to be jamming when I cruise this thing, which I hardly take it out. But when I do, I definitely want to be jamming to some music. So I have added some speakers to it also. So there it is, a quick update on El Yunque. You know, the little progress that I've done to it. I'm definitely not done with it. I'm not done with the suspension. I am changing the whole front of the truck suspension wise. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm going to paint, primer the roof. The interior is going to get a new color. So guys, y'all definitely want to stay tuned for the upcoming videos. We're back, and y'all make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.